अपग्रेड ह्या प्रदर्शनाचे उक्तावण बुधवारा पणजे मळा हांगसर जालें अशी माहिती प्रवीण काकोडे हांणी दिल्या। ह्या वेळार रवींद्रनाथ पै काकोडे, विश्वास केकरे आनी हेर मानेस हाजीर आशिल्ले। डेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
Range of products that we have lined up, there are some excellent offers. We have HDFC with us for financing. But what we have essentially also done is we have roped in YI as our knowledge series partner, and we have decided and we are conducting some very interesting topics like GST, Swachh Bharat, and we are trying to create awareness among the various sections of society. So Swachh Bharat, typically we are addressing some local government bodies as well as open public. Other than that, one very critical exercise we are taking up at this event is we are doing the signing up for organ donation from YI. So the seminars will be conducted today, tomorrow and day after, over 3 days, and we will have with us Sri Rajendra Alekarji for the first day. Siddharth Kokolkar will be coming for the second day, and for the final day where we had this two events which we had conducted, one for drawing competition, other for the essay competitions, and the lucky draws which we are having every hour. So for the final day, the occasion will be graced by MP for South Goa, Sri Naren Savekarji. So we look forward to exciting 4 days so that all of us can take advantage of it. So we have kept a commercial angle to this. We have essentially brought an entrepreneurial angle to this, wherein we are giving business packages off the shelf. So we are trying to push the concept of Startup India, Stand Up India at a very, very minuscule amount like 30,000 rupees. Now to facilitate it further, we also have roped in HDFC, which is an array of products right from personal loans to gold loans, where a person can buy maybe a machine and earn 15,000 a month, and he can break even in just 2 months.